Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome back in the online session. Today we are going to start new lesson, Structure of the Earth. It is from Geology portion of our science book. In this chapter, Structure of the Earth, we will focus mainly on external and internal structure of the Earth. Atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere, they are external part, and internal means different layers of the Earth like crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. We will discuss about them in brief in this lesson. Before starting structure of the Earth, you know what is Earth? Earth is one of the planet of solar system. You know already there are 8 planets in the solar system, yes, which moves around the sun in their fixed path. They are called orbit. And Earth, it is third planet in the solar system from the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, it lies in third position in the solar system. And it is only the living planet in the solar system. Why? Because there is only life in the Earth. And why life is possible only in the Earth? Because of all favorable conditions available here, like appropriate temperature, water, air, they all are present in the Earth, which makes life possible. And similarly, Earth, it is our home planet, we can call, where we are living, yes. And it was from about 4600 million years ago. And when we talk about the structure of Earth, shape of the Earth externally, it is not like complete sphere. It is like an orange, we can say, because it is flattened at the poles and bulges out at the equator region. That means in the equator region, the diameter of the Earth is little more, and its measurement is about 12,800 kilometers in the equator region, and in the polar region the diameter of Earth is about 12,750 kilometers. So in this way we can say Earth is not a complete sphere. It is flattened at the poles and bulges out at the equator region. And Earth, it consists of main 3 parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. You already know. Lithosphere means land part of the Earth where we are living. Yes. Hydrosphere, it is water part of the Earth. And atmosphere, the thin layer of air which surrounds around the Earth. Let's start from atmosphere. You know gravitational pull. Gravitational pull means the force by which a heavenly body pulls something towards its center or towards its surface. Not only the Earth, all other planet and even sun and all other satellite present in the solar system, they have gravitational force by which they pull something towards their center. And because of influence of that gravitational force of the Earth, there is layer of the air around the Earth up to certain height. And why it is important? Because it consists of different gases, you know, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, they are important gases. They are present in the atmosphere. Oxygen is required for respiration for all living organisms. Similarly, carbon dioxide is essential for green plants for carrying out photosynthesis process. Yes. Similarly, it also blocks the harmful UV rays coming out from the sun. UV rays means, you know, ultraviolet rays, which are harmful if they directly come on the Earth's surface. But you know, ozone layer is present in the atmosphere, and that layer helps to absorb harmful rays coming out from the sun. So we will not get that much harmful rays directly from the sun because of atmosphere present around the Earth, which absorbs harmful rays. And similarly, atmosphere also helps to keep warmth to the Earth. It absorbs a certain amount of heat from the sun and it keeps warm to the Earth. Okay. And similarly, another part, that is land part. Land part of the Earth, it consists of 30% of the Earth, and different landforms are present on the Earth. Somewhere there is huge structure of land, we call they are mountains or hills, and somewhere there are flat part of lands, they are like valleys or plains, and plateaus are also landforms. Okay, there are different landforms present on the Earth's surface. Later on we will learn about them in brief separately. And similarly, another hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the water part of the earth. And I already told you that 30% of the earth consists of land, and now remaining about 70% of the earth, it consists of water part, hydrosphere. Okay, so when we see earth from this space, it looks like blue ball because there is huge amount of water present on the earth. And water also, it exists in different forms like oceans, seas, rivers, streams, etc. In this way, earth comprises of different layers: hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. And before starting different landforms and water forms present on the earth, let me share you a fact about origin of continent in the earth. German geologist Alfred Wegener, according to him, there was a huge landmass and it was called Pangaea. It was named as Pangaea, that single landmass on the earth. Slowly, after a long period of time, that landmass divided into two forms and they were named as Laurasia and Gondwana. And now we call Eurasia. Eurasia means, Europe and Asia combined. It is called Eurasia. Eurasia and North America. These three continents were formed from that landmass, Laurasia. And another, Gondwana. It formed rest of the all continents. In this way, continents were formed. Okay, now let's go through the different landforms present in the earth. Okay, mountain. Mountain is a huge projection from the earth's surface. The slope of mountain are steep and uneven. Mountain lies in the northern part of our country, extending from east to west. The altitude of this region ranges from 4,877 to 8,848 meters above the sea level. Mountains which are higher than 6,000 meters are covered with snow throughout the year. The internal part of mountain contains hard rocks. The outer surface is covered with soil and small pieces of stones and sand. The slope of mountain determines the fertility of mountain. More steep mountains are infertile than less steep mountains because steep mountains are made up of hard rocks. Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Kimberley Plateau, Katanga Plateau, Mascarene Plateau, Laurentian Plateau, Mexican Plateau. These are some famous plateaus of the world. Okay, thank you.